This Solid Edge macro will allow you to copy an assembly and all its associated parts and draft files, relinking the links in the draft file so that it will work with the new assembly. So you start by selecting a assembly. So I'm going to go with this one, and then you choose the location on where you want to put the output. So I'm just going to put in here. Then you have the option of adding a prefix, a suffix, or you can replace something with something else. So for example, in this case, I could replace the M with an A for the new part name, but I'm just going to prefix it with a 1. And then when you go process, it's going to open the design manager, work through and copy the files, and you'll see that it's done that pretty quick. So if we reopen this with the design manager, so you'll see that it has all the right links within here, as well as the assembly. So if I look at the assembly, I mean, you saw that in the draft anyway, but it's got the right links. So this is a pretty basic assembly. So if I then look for a slightly more complex one, so under the old master mover example, we've got a assembly here, and actually I will choose a different, I will go down and choose this one here and go open on that. I'll leave it in the same folder so we can see what happens, and I'm just going to clear that, and I'm going to change the MM to AP and then go process on that. And again, you'll see it open Design Manager. You'll see that it's a lot more complex, but the process works really quick, and you'll see all the parts listed in here. Again, we will have a draft file in here, and if I open that with Design Manager, you'll see that it's linked to the correct part file. So this is a really quick process and can save you heaps of time.